Welcome to the One Man Tech Hub. Today we're going to review the top USB and XLR microphones for content creators. High-quality audio is a non-negotiable aspect of content creation. Whether podcasting, YouTubing, or live streaming, the right microphone can make all the difference. Today we're examining the MAONO XLR USB Dynamic Microphone Kit, USB Microphone, Logitech for Creator, Blue Yeti USB Microphone, and ZealSound USB Microphone. Starting with the MAONO XLR USB Dynamic Microphone Kit. This microphone offers a dynamic range and low self-noise, capturing clear and precise audio. It's versatile, suitable for professional studios and home recording environments alike. Then there's the MAONO USB Microphone, a plug-and-play solution that delivers studio-quality sound, ideal for beginners and seasoned creators. Whether recording vocals, instruments, or podcasts, this microphone delivers without putting a dent in your wallet. Logitech for Creator is another excellent choice, known for its reliability and ease of use. It's adaptable, with features like noise cancellation and customizable sound settings. Its compatibility with popular recording software and intuitive controls make it a favorite among professionals and amateurs. The Blue Yeti USB microphone is a well-known name in the content creation community. Renowned for its exceptional sound quality and versatility, it captures everything from intimate vocals to booming instrumentals with clarity. With multiple pickup patterns and onboard controls, it offers unmatched flexibility. Lastly, the ZealSound USB microphone combines affordability with performance. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, it delivers clear and detailed audio suitable for podcasting, streaming, and voiceovers. Its compact design and plug-and-play functionality make it an excellent choice for creators on the go. In summary, each of these microphones offers exceptional value for under $100, catering to the diverse needs of content creators. Whether you prioritize versatility, audio quality, or ease of use, there's a microphone on this list that will meet your needs. Invest in one of these budget-friendly options today and elevate your recordings. Remember to check out the link in the description box to purchase one. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Until the next video, peace out.